Almost every agent I coach uses the same AI, and it's the wrong one for this business. They open ChatGPT, ask it for an Instagram caption, get something that sounds like a greeting card, and decide AI is overrated. Meanwhile, the tool that actually runs my business, writes in my voice, remembers every lead, preps every listing appointment, most agents have never even opened it. It's called Claude, and today I'm giving you the complete setup, step by step, including the exact instructions I use. By the end of this video, you'll have an assistant that knows your business better than most hires ever will. And stick around, because one of these steps, most agents skip it, and it's the whole reason this works. I'm Coach Nicole Gaudet. I build real estate systems and coach agents on what actually works, not theory. Everything you're about to see is running in my business right now. First, why Claude and not the AI everybody already knows? Here's where most agents get this wrong. They treat AI like a search engine. One-off questions, generic answers, start from zero every single time. The tool matters less than the setup, but Claude is built for the setup. 3 things. 1, projects. You teach it your business once, and every conversation after that starts smart. 2, it's the best writer of the big AI tools. It can actually sound like you, not like a press release. 3, it handles huge amounts of context, your whole lead export, a full inspection report, a 12-page CMA. Paste it all, it keeps up. So here's the 5-step setup. Step 1, build your headquarters. In Claude, create a project, call it My Real Estate Business. Then fill in the custom instructions. This is the step most agents skip, and it's the difference between a toy and an employee. Here's the paste and edit version. You're my real estate assistant. Market, your city and surrounding areas. I'm a solo agent focused on buyers and sellers in your price range. My tone is direct, warm, professional. Never salesy, never stiff. Never invent market stats. Ask me for numbers. Always draft, never send. Everything goes through me. When I paste leads, remember names and details for the whole conversation. 2 minutes of setup. Every conversation after this starts already knowing your business. And remember at the start, when I said most agents skip the one step that makes this whole thing work, this is it. Step 2, give it your voice. AI that sounds like AI kills trust. So before you ask it to write anything, do this once. Here are 3 texts and 2 emails I actually sent to clients. Study how I write. Sentence length, warmth, how I open and close. From now on, write like me. Now prove it. Write a check-in text to a buyer who went quiet 2 weeks ago. Read the result. If it's not you, correct it once or twice. It learns. From then on, every draft comes out sounding like you on your best day. Step 3, listing work, not write me a listing description. That's how you get the same fluff as everyone else. Feed it the real materials, the MLS data sheet, your notes from the walkthrough, the 3 best features the sellers told you about. Then, using this data sheet and my notes, write 3 versions of the listing description. 1 for the MLS, 1 for social, 1 for the brochure. Lead with what makes this home different, not adjectives. And flag anything in your draft that could violate fair housing rules so I can review it. That last sentence is not optional. Words like perfect for families can get you in real trouble. Claude is good at catching them, but you're the licensee. You review everything. Step 4, and this is where the money is. Follow up. Export your leads, yes, even the embarrassing 18-month-old ones, and paste the list into your project. Here's my lead list with last contact dates and notes. Sort them. Who's worth a call this week? Who gets a text? Who goes on a monthly rhythm? Then draft the first message for each of the top 10, in my voice, referencing the last thing each person told me. No, just checking in. Most agents don't have a lead problem. They have a memory problem. This step is the fix. 10 ready to send follow-ups every morning, each one personal in about 90 seconds. Step 5. Never walk into a listing appointment cold again. The night before, paste in the property details, your CMA numbers, and anything you know about the sellers. I'm meeting these sellers tomorrow. Based on this CMA and these notes, give me the 3 strongest points for my pricing recommendation, the 5 objections they're most likely to raise with my best 2-sentence answers, and 3 questions I should ask that most agents won't. 15 minutes of prep that used to take 2 hours. You walk in sharper than the agent who's been licensed twice as long. Before the recap, 2 rules that keep this from backfiring. Rule 1, AI drafts, you send. Every message, every description, every number gets your eyes before it goes out. You're automating the remembering, not the relationship. Rule 2, never let it guess market data. If you didn't give it the numbers, it doesn't have the numbers. Ask it to say, I don't know. It will. The agents AI embarrasses are the ones who stopped checking. The full setup one more time. 1. Create the project and load your business into the instructions, the step that makes it an employee instead of a toy. 2. Teach it your voice with real messages. 3. Listing work from real data with a fair housing check. 4. The follow-up engine, your lead list, sorted and drafted daily. 5. Appointment prep the night before. Total setup time, about an hour. What you get back every week forever. Here's your first move. Open Claude tonight and do step 1. Just step 1, the project, the instructions, 10 minutes. Tomorrow, everything you ask, it starts smart. And if this was useful, subscribe. I'm producing a steady stream of content for agents exactly like this: AI, Google visibility, follow-up, the systems side of this business nobody else breaks down step by step. It's all coming to this channel, and I don't want you to miss it. The agents who win the next 5 years aren't the ones with the most leads. They're the ones whose systems never forget. See you in the next one.